In this video, I will compare two powerhouses in the AI meeting space to help you decide which one fits your workflow. Starting with Bluedot, the biggest differentiator here is the invisible experience. While most AI tools send a visible bot into your Zoom or Teams call, Bluedot offers a botless recording mode. This keeps your meetings feeling natural and focused without an uninvited guest appearing in the participant list. It is a privacy-first platform that is both GDPR compliant and SOC 2 audited, ensuring your data is never used to train their AI models. The feature set is impressive, offering transcription and summaries in over 100 languages. I particularly like the flexibility of their global AI chat, which lets you ask questions across multiple past meetings to find specific timestamps and insights instantly. It's a seamless setup that works across your desktop, phone, and even your smartwatch, making it a top contender for users who prioritize privacy and a clean, bot-free interface. Bluedot even connects natively with tools like Slack, HubSpot, and Notion to keep your CRM updated automatically. Now, let's look at Fireflies, which positions itself as the industry leader with 95% transcription accuracy. Unlike the invisible approach of the previous tool, Fireflies often utilizes Fred, its signature AI assistant, which you can invite directly to your calendar meetings. This makes it incredibly easy to automate, though it does mean having a visible bot present in the call. Fireflies shines when it comes to deep analysis and search functionality. You can search through months of conversations down to a specific sentence and use their Ask Fred feature to get instant answers about any discussion. It also offers auto-language detection and high-quality speaker recognition, which is vital for large team calls.